How to use 3D map in Google Maps. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the whole interface to 3D. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right, you'll be able to see this small icon. Tap on it. So this is the map type options. So here, as you can see, there are different type of maps available. Here, there are even map details. Now, you can select anyone from here. So here I'm selecting satellite, and here on the bottom you can even select this 3D option. This will change the whole interface into 3D, and the buildings and even other small places will be shown in 3D. Now if you go back, the whole interface has been changed. So as you can see, the boxes are completely into a 3D form and the places are in 3D form too. So it will make it more easier to find the specific place. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.